Windy Hunstanton. Get your new hat on. Racing bit of sea air. Getting blown backwards. At least I don't have much air to blow away. Do I? Nice bit of green area though, isn't it? I can see something missing. Hunstanton Pier Family Adventures. There's no beer.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to sit on a bench. Man, it were a wild night last night, weren't it? Well, rocks, aren't they, onto beach, aren't they? Is your hat keeping your ears warm? So these are the multicoloured cliffs, aren't they? Yeah. Up here. Yeah, so they are like clay cliffs, aren't they? Yeah. Chalk and clay. Yeah. With rocks in them. So these are the cliffs at Hunstanton. You see there's been quite a lot of fall down there. School party doing something down there. Like they're surveying something. Right, well I've wandered up into town where it's not as breezy, hopefully. Right, well we'll walk into town. Sorry about the wind. It's breezy. Probably free parking here. So it's a grass prom up here.
Yeah.
So if you're on Humberside area and Hornsey area, you'd have blue sky over there. There's more blue sky over there than there is over here. Murky that water, isn't it? Yeah. All sand, won't it?
Yeah.
It's quite clear further out, so it must be deeper. So we've got a lightless lighthouse. There's a big coastguard station next to it, you can see.
Yeah.
Might be a busy shipping area, won't it, this?
Wash, isn't it?
Yeah. So I wonder how many years it's not had a light on top of it. It's probably part Roman or something like that, is it? Don't know what it is. There's a sign there. So it was St Edmund's Chapel, Garden of Rest. The legend of St Edmund and the Wolf. So that's the legend. Still breezy on top. A stretchy sandy beach there though, isn't it? Probably goes all the way around to Elkin Beach.
Yeah, what are you talking about? You've got wells next to the sea, then Sherrington and promenade, so that's
Yeah, that's definitely coastguard. Watch out station, that, isn't it? The coastguard lookout point, Royal Observer Post, 1907 and coastguard service, 1963 to 38, 63 to 68. They might not be used now. Probably always been let. Hey? So that old lighthouse is a holiday cottage. Not sure how much that is for a few days in there. Well, that's a bracing walk, isn't it? That's blown cobwebs away. There's not many on the little train. It's brightening a bit, it's brightening. It'll be late this afternoon, I reckon.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, they must be all newish properties then, aren't they?
Yeah.
Pay a premium for looking over at sea. Wouldn't you? It is, but you think, man, you like say with flights now and you can go abroad. Yeah, things have changed now, haven't they?
I think this autumn and winter's gonna test coast.
Yeah. Nice gardens at the front and the War Memorial. Cross over.
Yeah.
Get across. This hotel now, that. Golden Lion Hotel. That's what it is. It's a very nice hotel. Isn't it? Yes, it's very ornate, isn't it? I know. I agree with you. Princess Theatre.
Yeah.
Do what? Telescope. It is a good fruit veg, isn't it, that one?
Yeah.
Good fruit and veg. Got M and Co. It has. More besides. You've got an ale bar, look.
Yeah.
And lots of litter bins.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like Heritage Centre shut, isn't it? Nice little centre, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, so the first time here. Shame it's not a sunny day, isn't it? And a bit warmer.
It's like an acorn tree.
I don't know what it is, that tree.
It's certainly not an oak tree.
Yeah, it's definitely, it's just like really shallow, isn't it? Yeah, that's why it looks as sandy as what it is. Like I say, it's just a big estuary, isn't it, really?
Yeah, watch it.
Yeah. So when tide goes out, it goes out quick. You want to look in that shop over there?
Yeah.
Oh, breezy Hunstanton, you're quite a nice little place, I must admit. Got everything you need here. Hey, your parking's not cheap though. £3 for 2 hours. We haven't got long to go now before we have to get back to the car. Try and find somewhere else to park. We'll do a sweep round even though it's windy. Very ornate downhole, must admit. So there is Henry Lestrange. So that's who the statue's about. Henry Lestrange. 1815 to 1862. Not quite sure what that is, but we'll have a look on the information board. There's some pictures of Victorians stood around it and it's still got the top chopped off it. So it's a historic stone cross right in the middle. Yes, it's a nice little place, isn't it? Very sweet.
Nice for a day with kids.
Yeah.
It's sunny. It's got all you need, hasn't it?
It has. Oh, the Golden Beach.
Yeah. It's a sweet place, but the beach
Yeah.
is,
Plenty of fish and chip pops anyway. Like I say, you're not short of places to eat, are you?
plenty of cafes.
Yeah. Caravan accessories. If you're out there kite surfing, And it's breezy enough for them as well. A quick walk down here, and then as time will be up. Some nice little beach cafes and that though. Karen's gone back to the car, it's a bit too chilly for her, so I'm just having a walk down this way, have a look at amusements. There's nothing open, of course. Good old adventure golf course, but that's quite good. So you've got Sea Life Sanctuary. Promenade goes on, not sure how far it goes on for, but this is the fun fair that's not open. And a quick look back up. Like I say, it's quite a biggish fair actually. So it looks like it's we're going to head now. It's like a caravan park over there. But you can still walk on so far. Don't know how far you can walk on for. Right, I hope you can hear me. That's a little walk round Hunstanton. We've only had a couple of hours. We're going to move on somewhere else now, not sure where. So if you like what you're seeing, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell. And if you can't hear it, I'll put writing underneath. So until the next video, bye for now.